Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll focus on meal planning for seniors, how to create balanced, easy-to-prepare meals that support healthy aging, energy, and well-being. As we age, our nutritional needs change. The goal of meal planning for seniors is to maintain strength, support digestion, and ensure proper nutrient intake while keeping meals enjoyable and simple to prepare. Let's start with the essentials. Step 1. Focus on nutrient density. Seniors often need fewer calories but more nutrients. Choose foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Step 2. Prioritize protein. Muscle mass naturally declines with age, so aim to include protein at every meal. Great options include eggs, fish, chicken, beans, lentils, tofu, and Greek yogurt. Soft protein sources like scrambled eggs or cottage cheese work well if chewing is an issue. Step 3. Stay hydrated. Older adults are at higher risk for dehydration because thirst signals decrease with age. Aim for at least 6 to 8 cups of fluids daily, including water, soups, and herbal teas. Step 4. Include healthy fats. Fats are essential for brain function and hormone balance. Choose olive oil, avocado, nuts, and seeds over saturated or fried fats. Step 5. Focus on fiber for digestion. Fiber supports gut health and prevents constipation, which is common among seniors. Include whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes daily. Step 6. Plan for calcium and vitamin D. These nutrients are vital for bone strength. Include dairy products or fortified alternatives like almond milk, leafy greens, and salmon. Vitamin D supplements may also be helpful, especially for those who spend little time in sunlight. Step 7. Watch sodium and sugar intake. Limit processed foods, canned soups, and sugary snacks to help maintain heart health and stable energy. Step 8. Make meals easy to prepare. Choose simple recipes that use minimal ingredients and equipment. One-pot meals, sheet pan dinners, and slow cooker recipes are great options. Step 9. Plan meals that are easy to chew and digest. For those with dental issues, soft foods like oatmeal, mashed potatoes, soups, and smoothies are gentle and nourishing. Step 10. Use herbs and spices for flavor. Taste buds can dull with age, so seasoning meals with herbs, garlic, and lemon can make food more appealing without adding salt. Step 11. Prep meals ahead. Cooking larger batches and freezing single portions helps make healthy meals available anytime. Label containers with dates for safety and organization. Step 12. Include snacks for sustained energy. Good options include yogurt, fruit, whole grain crackers with hummus, or trail mix. Frequent small meals can be easier to manage than 3 large ones. Step 13. Manage special health needs. If you have conditions like diabetes, heart disease, or high blood pressure, adapt your meal plan to align with medical advice. Use herbs instead of salt, choose lean proteins, and balance carbohydrates with fiber. Step 14. Make meals social when possible. Eating with family or friends promotes better appetite and overall well-being. Even shared meals a few times a week can make a big difference. Step 15. Enjoy variety. Rotate recipes weekly to avoid monotony and ensure a range of nutrients. Think hearty soups in winter, fresh salads in summer, and comfort dishes all year round. Here's your quick recap. Prioritize nutrient-rich foods, stay hydrated, plan easy meals, and adapt recipes for comfort and health. Meal planning for seniors is about simplicity, nourishment, and joy. In the next lesson, we'll explore meal planning for specific health goals, like managing blood pressure, blood sugar, and energy, so you can customize your plan even further. Let's make every meal a step toward longevity and vitality.